Looking for bidet and washlet toilet seat installation in Sherwood Park? At Kingstree Plumbing, we make upgrading your bathroom simple, ensuring a seamless, leak-free setup for maximum comfort and hygiene. A professionally installed bidet toilet seat enhances cleanliness, reduces toilet paper waste, and adds luxury to your bathroom. Our expert team in Sherwood Park specializes in precise, hassle-free installations, so you get all the benefits without the stress. Why choose Kingstree Plumbing? We're local, reliable, and offer same-day service, ensuring a quick and professional installation. Whether you're upgrading to a washlet toilet seat or installing a new bidet, we handle everything from secure fittings to water pressure adjustments. Upgrade your bathroom today with Sherwood Park's trusted plumbing experts. Keep watching to see why homeowners choose Kingstree Plumbing for expert bidet and washlet toilet seat installation.